Let's discuss the various ways that you can send and share your form. First of all, you'll notice in the top right-hand corner that you have a send button. When your form is complete and you're ready to send it, you can actually send several ways. You have the option to send via email, link, embed code, or Facebook and Twitter. If you're choosing the email option, you can enter the email address or group address. You can also include to attach the form. So if I am emailing a particular group or person, I have the option to also include that form in the email. If I'm using a link, I can also get a short URL here, copy that, paste it in an email and wherever that I want it to be, and anyone who needs it can access it. If you are using a website or something where you need to get HTML code, you can actually embed your questions into the form. You'll notice that because I have a file upload question, it's not allowing me to get the embed code, but if I go and delete that question so that you can see how this works, I delete my file upload question and go back to send. When I get HTML, it does ask me to do the width and height that I prefer for HTML. If you don't need that, doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. If you wanted to share it on social media, it does ask you to log in to either of those media platforms. But again, you have the ability to send via email, link, embed code, or social media. I want to take us back to the beginning of this because there is another way that I can actually share the form. Perhaps I'm not ready to give it to students or to share it with parents. I need some help and I need another pair of eyes looking at it and actually editing it with me. If you need that, that's called a collaborator. A collaborator is not someone who's going to fill out your form, but someone who's going to help you build it. So you can click on Add Collaborators and actually add people to help you. And what you will do is you will add those people, send a message, and decide if you want to notify them or not, and it will actually give them the ability to access the quiz from the message, and they're able to do everything, including delete form responses and to see the responses that are sent in. So you can add collaborators. That's one way to add a collaborator. You can also go up to the three dots and choose to add collaborators this way. So again, to add someone to help you, you can go to Send and choose Add Collaborators, or you can go to the three-dot menu and choose Add Collaborators here. But to send your email to someone to complete it, you're going to use the purple Send button and decide if you want to send it by email, link, embed code, or social media.